Hey guys, so today I got a nature box. I get the three snack pack or something like that, the one that has 3 snacks in it, when I get them. So let's see what I got today. It looks like, and I get these every other month. So this is April 2015. This is my snack pack. I got the white truffle popcorn. Pretty big bag. It has 1.6 ounces. Let's taste this white truffle popcorn. I've never had truffles. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not allergic to them. Whatever. I won't be getting that again. White truffle popcorn tastes kind of gross. Alright, no, I was excited about that. I got the sour cream and onion almonds. Onion and garlic flavored almonds. 4.3 ounces. Let's see what it tastes like. Hopefully better than that truffle stuff, because that truffle stuff tastes like bleh. Maybe the kids will like it. I don't. Let's see. Much better than the popcorn. I'm trying to get a couple of them. Get that popcorn taste out of my mouth. Tastes kind of like the sour cream and onion Pringles, only they're almonds. Yum. And then I got the blueberry Greek yogurt pretzels. Let's see what they taste like. They're gonna be sweet. Oh, I didn't show you them. Blueberry Greek yogurt pretzels. 4 ounces. I might get it out. I usually like yogurt pretzels. Yummy-licious. So, I do recommend the blueberry Greek yogurt pretzels, and I do recommend the sour cream and onion almonds, but I don't recommend the white truffle popcorn. It was not very good. Maybe I don't like truffle flavored stuff. I've never had it before. Yeah. Those are definitely not that great. But the other two are great, so always fun to try new snacks. I might try a different kind next time, like the white cheddar caramel popcorn. We'll see. Alright, so that's my nature box for this month. Be sure to subscribe and like to see my other unboxings, and have a great day. Thanks.